Hi Mohammed, here's a quick screencast. Just with some, now that I can see the ad, um, yeah, I thought that I couldn't see it. It must have been a login, log out issue with this caching issue. So because I was still logged in, I couldn't see the ad. So the ticks here, they just need to be aligned with D and A straight down there. That's moved for some reason. Now if I come in here, the ticks have got some sort of something on top of them in white, or might be a doubling up of the tick, maybe, I'm not sure. So that's another issue. Those ticks are just at various sizes in between where I wasn't here, and the white over the green, yeah, like this. So it's in a few places. So here, just with the spacing that's down here, can we make it the same as the spacing that is there? And can we close this gap up? Probably. So that gap there, let's introduce that size in between here. Possibly bring this green one up to about there, and then the size that this gap is going to be there. So this gap and that gap are the same size, which is the same as this, and in between bring the green up to about there, and we'll see how that looks. That's probably it just for the moment, and with the CSS. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks. Cheers.